alumni, former, we alumni, we former, wadu kuru fulani, na kuna mtu alisomeaga.
Alikuaga.
Alikuaga huko. Yes. Na alumni ri tore yakwa hiyo ni alumni wetagwo Captain Karauri
mheshimiwa
na thank you muno ni watutumire Sami he had a good time at the event
ndamwendire Sami
yes wow visia mheshimiwa Karauri alumni cio Karauri ni abi atugegia ni gutwara ndege Mangu
yes Mangu High School
na tugetekania amwe kuria tuthomeire ri ndege etagira riera-ini ri na egwa kumbari.
There's no any other way.
No, you just bring us something in kite. Leo ni uko jina horo wa the Alliance. Yes.
Yes, Alliance High School.
Yes.
Over the weekend, ni marari na commemoration ya miaka 99 thukuru.
So they are almost attending the centenary celebrations.
Next year 2026, riu makoro magikungwira miaka 100 ya Alliance High School.
Oh yes.
Riu ni marakire na igongona over the weekend. Na ni makire na mibango ira marakihariria ni undu wa commemoration ya next year ya miaka 100.
Yes.
Ti project ati ni kana ni uguo menayo. Mena project ya 200 million.
And you know Alliance is Alliance. Anakuwa de mo villager. Wa Munyoro. Aigwetania kuho muno ni alumni ya Alliance. Ayekira wa icio mwatiriri. Icio mwa atukuha tondu we thomire Alliance. Na nie ndaikire mundu thomire ki. No, Alliance is Alliance. They even have a pet name. No, yes, they call a pet name. Taru, I think the Kenya High. I don't know they still call it Boma. You can a patch. They tagorate. Can Nairobi school. I am mother will Alliance remote road in an idea.
You got Makimena near Bush.
Oh, Bush. Absolutely. The ditches, I think they tagorate. Patch, I think is Nairobi school. Yes. Boma ni Kenya High. So now they are going to raise 200 million.
Makena mfango wa raise 200 million ni undu wa commemoration ya miaka 100 next year. Magiake an ultra modern facility.
Yes.
Multi-purpose hall.
Yes.
Na library ya kiriu. Digital library thini wa skuru ucio.
A digital library.
Yes.
Yes.
Riu ucio mufango ucio marahwe million 200. Hari magana maya meri ma million ri.
Yes.
Alumni.
Yes.
Yaruto aria mathomeire kuo
aria mahetukire kuo magathoma makagia ugi na magatuika andu nini influence bururi uyu in their levels. Yes.
Marari isi nuthu ya mbeca icio. That's 100 million Kenya shillings.
Amwe itu kuria tuthomire tungira turizi milioni 100 au tukinyirie nginya Ngomi.
Well, they are raising 100 million.
Yes.
Thukuru kire isi kindu kinini.
Yes.
And makanitha maria magisponsor thukuru ucio makire isi icio ingi.
You see the beauty about Alliance ni ona aria mathomeire ku na tutire nao ri they have foundations that still remember that the founder. Yes.
Athomeire ku
like Sir Charles did athomeire Alliance.
Yes, among the pioneer students of back then.
Na niwe gwatu arago na barathi. Yes.
Aluta
Matifa. Those are people from Alliance. Yes. They have their foundations around the establishments. Iria shiko recognize mandekiro marua. We as the alumni body, we want to raise 100
million.
We as the Georgia whatever, the Matiba whatever, we will give 5 million. Yes. So the okay, muki horo okay.
Horo
yes. Maitu aria ige ndoro no mahinya matikiya na
andu matiga na mahinya matiga na
yes ona wa ndere ri kwedi you know is an alumni of Nyeri High. The time they had something like that it was big.
Nyeri High they also have a serious alumni association
and the time actually that time they did a tent setup yake do 20 million setup ya wa ndere wa wanda join them. Yes. You brainstorm.
Okay, magithondeka event no to maibiririe entertainment.
No to ke kuria rwimbo. Because I am very sure by the time they do the event,
actual project yo marenda ikorwe rikite.
Yes.
So muthenya wa commemoration wa kinya next year ri.
Yes.
Riu igakorwe ri grand opening.
Yes.
Riu makiririkana miaka igana rimwe.
Yes.
They will have raised the money and used the money to do the project.
So na waishomwa ewe ikeri. Mheshimiwa Kimani waishomwa. Yes. Ando ni atengeretia mono. TV mweta walo jasira.
Pamoja dia kidogo.
Mondo jureta, I think it's called Medi or something. Ni alamwani na kidogo. Waichungo mwenyewe li. Because an alumni of Alliance. Our attack today. I'm sure they can raise that much.
And he can even talk to the big boss.
They can talk to the big boss amwambia sasa. Najua kwa tulisomea.
Tuko na
mpango kidogo ya to do a 200 million project. So if you can just chip in. Yes. Na dake ya tie muganda.
Dake ya gitio. Na itongo nake mwene dake ya gitie. Ni akiri magitio miaka igana ona.
Yes. Kwaje na yoga tari wage mwitari. Iyo tos. Ipo ya to made a polling station ni. Na immunization centers ri. Ya gotiga ate skulu ni atweka water sustainable. Tukira shingwa mata sustainable water flow and reservoirs. Well, at the end of the day, to wakaitagi
to enable learning smooth.
Tukira shingwa to enable smooth learning, adequate concentration, and the proper learning
environment,
atmosphere. We are going to put up a reservoir. Neitagi.
No go employees you go dugu. Na wading.
Ipelelio ndo wake.
Neitagi.
As we celebrate 50 years of this institution, as the old boys and girls,
the old boy na girl.
As old boys and girls, we are going to make the school food sustainable.
No getting kuingiria maundu very noble and global.
Yes.
Like tree planting.
Exactly. With the climate change and global warming, and with this time of clean and green energy, we are going to have a small backup power project. The other part of the commission administration, bro.
And install CCTV.
Yes, footage and the biometrics. We are already in talks with an ISO certified company. No, I'm going to old boys and girls. Yes.
Boy.
Alliance. No, na magisapate ka disi na maraini ya thutha.
Na kugia students bero mainuka holiday magacangirie.
Yes. Yona makihanduka ndire koragwo ha mbere ukiyandika we with an exaggerated amount. Ana tukaya mundu kuhea kandi teyo. Bamuroke ai. Andika igana. Alliance alumni.
And I'm sure they will hack that.
Yeah, they will. No, definitely they will. I will be looking forward to marking how much we turn not to benchmark.
Yes. Na muthenya ucio wa commemoration ya miaka igana magato invite.
Yes.
Oda ithio tuthi twiyone.
Ready to benchmark tuone.
Ma invite riu ma old boys makuma mathukuru mangi na old girls.
Yes. Na mavoma.
Kendo tukamumatiria ni ruhi.
Wega piu. Na kugega. Nitokagera. Yes. But it's a good challenge.
It's a good challenge.
At whatever level it is. Ando batigiaka odo mageka. Yes.
That is alliance for you.
Actually, engineer, you know, there's brains in the JKE. I've got John Gashua, the managing director of NIC Bank.
NCBA.
NCBA, not NIC, NCBA.
Yeah, he's a CEO NCBA Bank.
CEO. He's an alumni.
Yeah, no more alliance.
Yes.
I didn't know.
Johnson Gisheru. Former Chief Justice. John Keane. I don't mind
John Keane.
Yes. Even first woman, Mayor Margaret Kenyatta,
oh, cool.
Yes.
The human rights activist.
Yes. Mogo Kifati, the CEO Telcom. Yes. Let me tell you their names here. Onamogatana.
Ginyamogatana.
Yes.
Alliance is alliance.
No, it's alliance. No, and they have foundations, even the ones who are not around. Even the Kiraito Murongi.
Ginyamombas.
Yes. Makao Mutua. Daudi Muiraria. Yes. Dan Kanindero. Yes. Alliance yon list yo no to meru wori. Neziga no ginyaoreke yapi.
Oyaroga maka.
Onanyanga nyongo. Yes. Ako. Yes. Ndiye kanwe gwaru na gweta papas.
Kalago ni alliance.
Baba Mlaya hayuko kwa hii list. Ile jina inakaribia Kalago Mlaya kwa hii list. Nikoge wa Thiongo. Yeah.
Hejo. They have a long list of alumni.
Yes. And most of them many of them are actually still around.
And very prominent people in the country.
Very opulent and prominent in a way. Or they actually mafatire alliance. Mari kiano horo wa centenary. Matabiere utana.
Please. Todo mara target million magana meri.
Yes.
Adocio no Malaysia na magana million.
Yes.
Please ru no matabio ta no cio matura ine.
Ngena magana magi meri mu maudire. I know they are very philanthropic. The alliance alumni. They are quite philanthropic. Yes.
That's true.
Yes.
Kwali na mwalimu munene wa alliance. You know he was my high school principal.
You had told me as much.
Yes. Kamau DC. No principal alliance currently.
Oh yes.
Ena ke munene kugiagira no enderie bodi le Syria ruria go support.
We have a few needy. Ona mudo utathire wega wa alumni ya alliance ri neja wa Comfort Homes. Kulika na gekirori. Ni wale alumni bodi uragia wathire kwa
akenda na fote mo te wathire tu akamera kona huko bypass
aya ya miunda no bypass na join
akenda na fote mo